That can't go on the internet.
Honest. Don't worry, it's gonna stay between you and the
Yeah,
the
right.
internet.
And the internet, exactly.
No.
This is a tough one. I'm gonna put this back.
Oh, you want me to scare me? Oh, I see.
You can look down.
White. Those are hard.
I don't have a secret talent. All my talents are exposed.
Kind of contradicts the other answer, right? Bizarrely enough, the first job I ever thought about wanting to do was what are the hold on, what do they call those people when they look for your bags? Custom, yeah. Yes. The one job that I wanted to do was to be a customs officer. I have no idea why. There's no logic behind it.
I don't read either. I only read protocols.
What advice would you give your younger self?
I don't know that I have a motto. Do like you guys have mottos that you live by?
If your life would be a TV sitcom, what would it be? I hate TV. I don't watch TV.
Sorry, Andy.
You didn't disclose any of this, and now here I am on camera answering questions.
Gotcha.